Hey there, health professionals. Today, let's dive into a hot topic that's been stirring the pot in the world of infectious diseases: the CDC's bird flu test glitch. So, the CDC has developed a bird flu test that's crucial for tracking this virus as it spreads through dairy farms and chicken houses across the US. But there's been a bit of a hiccup. A glitch in the test's design has come to light, but the CDC assures us that it hasn't hindered their outbreak response. Now here's the scoop. The issue surfaced back in April when the CDC was prepping to send out these tests to public health labs nationwide. They discovered that one of the two components designed to detect the H5 protein in the H5N1 bird flu virus was unreliable. Dr. Dimitra Daskalakis, the CDC's National Center for Immunization and Respiratory Diseases director, explained that the original test design was solid, but a flaw emerged during bulk manufacturing by a contracted company. This glitch led to one part of the test not functioning correctly, which could potentially result in inconclusive results. To tackle this, the CDC came up with a workaround. If only one component detected the H5 protein, the test would be rerun for accuracy. This fix was rapidly implemented, and with the FDA's approval, the tests were distributed to public health labs with detailed workaround instructions. Representative Brett Guthrie raised concerns at a congressional hearing, drawing parallels to the COVID-19 testing issues in 2020. However, Dr. Daskalakis reassured everyone that the tests are now 100% usable and reliable. He emphasized that the FDA has reviewed the tests and agreed with this assessment. Despite these assurances, the glitch has sparked a debate about relying on a single entity for such critical testing. Researchers like Alex Greninger from the University of Washington expressed surprise and concern, highlighting the risks if the virus mutates, potentially making the current tests ineffective. The CDC has been proactive, asking a different manufacturer to remake the faulty component. They've already stocked some improved tests, but they're still waiting for FDA approval. Meanwhile, the bird flu outbreak is growing, and farm workers are lacking information and protective gear. Rural clinics might miss cases if they don't link patients to farm environments and notify health officials promptly. It's worth noting that several diagnostic labs are working to develop their own tests, but they face challenges like regulatory hurdles and the need for guaranteed sales. Transparency is key here. Scientists like Benjamin Pinsky from Stanford argue that the CDC should make its test protocol publicly accessible, similar to the World Health Organization's approach. This would enable more labs to develop reliable tests quickly. In conclusion, while the CDC's test glitch raises concerns, they've made significant strides to ensure testing reliability and transparency. It's a reminder of the delicate balance between rapid response and robust, reliable testing. That's all for now. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep making a difference out there.